Hey nerds, Jess here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your social media accounts to your Google Search Console. So Google Search Console is very important because it allows you to see how you're actually ranking on Google, if your pages are being indexed, if there's any issues with your website and things like that. It's a great way to start troubleshooting what could be wrong with your website. And now we're going to be able to see more information through social media and things like that. So this was a beta feature, but now it's available to everyone. So what you're going to do is make sure that you're in your Google Search Console account, log in, and then click the properties option and then click add property. And then for this example, I'm going to add the YouTube channel. And then you're going to want to make sure that you are logged into your YouTube account with the same Google profile so that everything is linked up. And then you can click add property. You can go to property, and then within 48 hours, there's going to be more insights that you can gather from it to find what types of searches are going to your YouTube content, Instagram, X, and what is the only other one that they got? So Instagram, TikTok, X, and YouTube. So make sure first off that you have your website linked to Google Search Console, and then you also add your TikTok, X account, and YouTube to it. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll see you later.